हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आप सबको अपने खुद के नाम की रिंगटोन बनाना सिखाऊंगा। फर्स्ट you can open your browser and type then open the link. Here you can type your name. For example, I will type this will be a typical name. So Ram. Hello Mr. Ram, please pick up the phone. So we will download it. So here is the download button. It will get download in. Okay, it is downloaded. Now I will show you how.
Hello, Mr. Ram, please pick up the phone. Hello, Mr. Ram, please pick up the phone. Hello, Mr. Ram, please pick up the phone.
So guys, this is all about that how can you search for ringtone of your name. So goodbye. I will give you the link in the description of this website if you are not able to find it on the web. So bye.